Welcome to this algebra guide. Today we are going to learn how to factor a sum of cubes. This is a special pattern that often shows up in polynomials, and once you know the formula, it becomes very easy to solve. First, let's identify what we are looking for. A sum of cubes is exactly what it sounds like. It is a binomial, meaning two terms, where two perfect cubes are being added together. We typically see this in the form a cubed plus b cubed. These terms can be variables like x cubed, or numbers like 8, 64, or 125. Here is the golden rule for this topic. The formula states that a cubed plus b cubed equals the quantity a plus b, multiplied by the quantity a squared minus a times b plus b squared. Notice that it breaks down into a small binomial factor and a larger trinomial factor. Memorizing the signs can be tricky, so use the acronym S.O.A.P. S stands for same. The first sign is the same as the original problem. O stands for opposite. The second sign is opposite to the original. And P stand for always positive. The last sign is always a plus sign. Just remember S.O.A.P. and you will get the signs right every time. You might be wondering if this formula really works. We can verify it by multiplying the factors back together. If we distribute the a and the b across the terms, we get a long expression. However, notice that the negative a squared b and positive a squared b cancel out. The same happens with the ab squared terms. We are left with just a cubed plus b cubed. Let's try a simple example with x cubed plus 27. Our first step is to find the cube root of each term to identify our a and b values. The cube root of x cubed is just x. The cube root of 27 is 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So, our a is x, and our b is 3. Now we simply plug these values into our formula. The first part, a plus b, becomes x plus 3. For the second part, we square the a to get x squared. We subtract the product of a and b, which is 3x, and finally, we add b squared, which is 3 squared or 9. Our final answer is the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x squared minus 3x plus 9. Let's look at a slightly harder example, 8x cubed plus 125. Here, the first term has a coefficient. To find our a, we take the cube root of 8x cubed, which gives us 2x. To find our b, we take the cube root of 125, which is 5. Substituting these into the formula requires care. For the squared term, we must square the entire 2x, which gives us 4x squared. Then we subtract a times b, which is 2x times 5, giving us 10x. Finally, we add b squared, which is 5 squared or 25. The final factored form is 2x plus 5 times 4x squared minus 10x plus 25. To wrap up, here is a checklist for you. Always check if the problem is an addition of two terms. Ensure both terms are perfect cubes. Find your a and b values by taking the cube roots. Finally, apply the formula and use the S.O.A.P method to check your signs. Thanks for watching and good luck with your algebra.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.